Some of the world's most powerful technologies don't begin with a huge vision. They all start with a simple nagging question. Today we are exploring the story of Go, the programming language that reshaped the internet by asking one bold question. What if we could take the raw power of C but rebuild it for the modern world of cloud computing and AI? Back in the mid 2000s at Google, developers faced a nightmare. 45 minutes just to compile code. Imagine thousands of engineers stuck waiting, productivity grinding to a halt. C++ builds took forever. Java devoured memory. Python was flexible but too slow, and none of them could handle the new era of multi-core processors. It was not a problem anymore. It was a crisis. So Google assembled a dream team. Robert Geismer, expert of Java's virtual machine, Rob Pike, Unix and distributed systems guru, Ken Thompson, co-creator of Unix itself. If anyone could build the future, it was them. Their philosophy: ruthless simplicity, not what can we add, but what can we take away. Go ended up with only 25 keywords. Every feature had a earn its place. Complexity was the enemy, and Go solved one of the hardest problems: concurrency. Instead of threads fighting over memory, Go encouraged safe, simple communication between routines. A Go routine used 1,000 times less memory than a Java thread. Millions could run at once without breaking a sweat. But how do you build a new language from scratch? They bootstrapped it. First, Go was written in C, but then that crude version compiled a new Go compiler written in Go itself. Once it worked, they threw the C away. By 2015, the entire Go ecosystem ran on Go, self-sustaining, like pulling itself up by its own bootstraps. In 2009, Google open sourced Go, and in 2013, Docker arrived powered by Go. Containers exploded across the tech world. A year later, Kubernetes followed, also in Go. That one two-punch sealed the deal. Go was now at the heart of cloud-native revolution. Today, Go quietly powers the backbone of the internet. Monitoring tools like Prometheus, infrastructure tools like Terraform, all in Go. And while Python may lead AI research, Go runs the infrastructure that makes AI scale to the world. The story of Go proves the powerful truth: technology doesn't always win by adding more. Sometimes it wins by taking things away. So maybe the lesson is not just for programming, maybe it's for life too. Where could simplicity help us do better?